I am here at the beautiful Coco Beach Resort. This place is absolutely amazing. Just show you how beautiful it is here in the Gambia. I mean, it is absolutely breathtaking. Let me switch it up. People don't know what they're missing. Beautiful atmosphere, beautiful people. Can't get no better than that. Nice. You look beautiful.
Ready? Okay, now you know I don't know how to pose. You want yours take You want yours on the water? I'm not plenty on the water.
Oh, you could go. Oh, okay.
I wish you stop video and just come on.
Go. Go pay for yourself. I'll be there. Yeah, I am. I'm sorry, let me get the full down view of how beautiful it is here. Oh my God. Okay. All right.
I don't have Wi-Fi right now. Could you put it in, like, give me whatever it is, and then I can go in there, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get the Wi-Fi while we're here. What you say, sweetheart? Instagram. Oh, it came up.
Oh, is the Wi-Fi free? Nice.
Okay. Thank you. I can give you the number if I see you. Okay, I will be. So when you look at my phone, thank you. I think I will go. We can do them on the phone.
Nice. Bar and grill, restaurant. Got the fountains going on. We're gonna check in, get this buffet. See the beach out there. a second. We're gonna put this on pause. These beautiful women here. Cool. All right. We are up in here. How beautiful the Gambia is. Look at the Gambia, it's so beautiful. Enjoying your fish, Mom?
I'm enjoying everything. Thank you for everything. I'm enjoying the Gambia.
I am enjoying the Gambia. Thank you, brother. You fool.
See, he's got a nice little sign stand.
Yeah, Dad. I'm so mad I left the work there at the house. That's far. It's going really.
That what?
The one Tracy let me use at the house.
Yeah, well, Kenny and I was I always ask the wife. Kenny and I was somewhere.
I'm gonna go up here and ask these guys if I can
Ask the wife.
record.
Ask the wife. She said, they said, yeah, you know. So the girlfriend up there, the other guy, he was come on, stand and stand. Whatever. You just, that's different.
I'm gonna go up here and ask these guys if I can record their wonderful cuisine. Let's see if they'll let me do it. Let's. Is it okay if I record this delicious food? Let everybody back at home see how great the Gambian does it?
Yeah.
You know, I'm letting all my American friends. They need to come back home.
Yeah, welcome to Coco Ocean.
Come back home to get to Gambia.
Gambia.
Here you go.
Chefs, sir.
Look at this. Look what they missing. Look what they missing.
Yeah. I have my chef pastry around.
Delicious
This is
food.
the chef pastry.
Wonderful people.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
chef right here.
Good.
Oh my God. Wonderful people. Wonderful beaches. Wonderful food.
Yeah. Homemade bread, nice one.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
This gentleman right here
Yeah, this is the master chef, sir. Yeah.
to the Gambia.
Good. This is salad sections. You can have different salads.
Oh my God.
Beans, potato,
Oh my
lettuce,
God.
couscous, seafood, green beans, different type of salad. Yeah.
Look at
Here
this
you can
cuisine.
have-
Look at this cuisine right here. You can't. The Gambia people.
Yeah, you see?
The Gambia.
Okay, that's it.
Oh,
Yeah. Isn't it? Yeah,
the land of kings and queens.
that's it.
Oh,
Good.
look at these wonderful people.
Yeah,
Love you
the master
guys.
chef. Yeah.
Welcome.
Yeah,
Welcome. Thank you.
Coco Ocean.
Yeah,
Look at that fish they up there cutting it up, cooking for us. Oh,
that's it.
can't get no better. Can't get no better.
Welcome. Good.
These are our brothers and sisters. We're coming back home. We're bringing our money back here.
Yeah.
Our money belongs in Africa. It belongs in the Gambia.
You're welcome.
It belongs with our brothers and sisters here.
Welcome.
I'm letting them all know this is home.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my goodness. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir.
Have more lemon.
I went down there and say, can I show them the wonderful queen of the Gambia? They said, yes, please, welcome. All the chefs. This is the chef. They said, come back home, come back home. I said, look what y'all missing at the Gambia. Wonderful people, wonderful music, wonderful,
Everything.
wonderful ocean, wonderful food. Taking pictures, I took pictures of all that, stills and video. Beautiful people here. Beautiful people here. All our people.
You gonna walk out on the beach?
Oh yes, definitely. All right, people, we just got finished eating a delicious meal. I'm gonna go down to the beach, get some shots, and then I am going to get a wide shot to show you guys more of this beautiful area. Here's my mother and my cousin doing their own little thing. So here we go. Hey guys. So here we go. The Gambia people. I'll be right back. No, I'm talking about everybody here. Watch it. Alright. Gonna walk out on this. Look at this place. This place is amazing. There we go. The Gambia people. This is the Gambia. Walking right out to the beach.